back to Kids Fun Love Club. And we're doing 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge.
This is episode number
62.
61 or 62.
62.
Episode number 62 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. What are we going to draw today?
Guys, do you know who's the red guy? Red Eggman's new friend in Hedgehog
Sonic the Hedgehog?
Hedgehog 2.
Hedgehog 2. Who is the red man? Can you guess? Yes, that's what we are going to draw today.
In Knuckles.
Knuckles. It's red in color.
And he's the strongest kidney in the whole world.
Okay, so let's get started. And if you stay with us till the end of the video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. You are going to win some exciting goodies. So make sure that you stay with us till the end of the video. We are gonna need a Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors.
The coloring is very easy.
Yeah, the coloring would be very easy.
Like
some reds, greens, and yellows. That's all that we will be needing today. Yeah, let's get started with my Sharpie and the white paper.
He only has one eye because his hair has covered the other eye.
We are drawing a sidewise picture of him.
He's jumping.
Yes, it's him jumping. So, we start with the face.
Eye.
No, we start with the face for a change.
First time.
Yes.
The face is a little weird, you might say.
Not exactly. There's the face.
And if you know, do you know who's the yellow person in Hedgehog's movie
Who
too?
is that?
If you know, comment down. It is Tails. If you want, we can draw him next.
Yeah. Tell us if you want us to draw next.
Yeah. Tails. Tails can fly.
We are left with no space. Once again.
I guess we're just drawing very big drawings.
Yeah, looks like. Or the paper is small maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I can make it work.
How?
I don't know, but I'll try. Very hard to make it work. I can make it work. Done. Made it work.
Good. Okay. We're done with the head part of the body. Now next.
Nope, I am. I am not. Will you wait?
Okay, let's wait for Parikshit.
If you guys are also not reached, you can also continue. What did you start drawing?
Yeah.
Why? I told you to wait.
Yeah.
Knuckles is the strongest a kid know.
He got knuckles in his hand. That's why he's called Knuckles.
Sharp ones, actually. Hey, is this the brand of Puma? He's brand of Puma on his chest? I don't know why. Isn't it? Isn't it?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's the brand of Puma.
It's a brand of Nike.
You have Nike. I don't really know brands. Knuckles is very strong. I actually mentioned. That's so complicating shoes.
That's nice. One legs are done. One leg is done.
Can you
Yeah.
wait?
Okay, let's wait for Parikshit. He's a little slow with his drawings.
Because I'm trying to draw carefully. I want to draw very carefully. So my drawing looks good. Oh. Will you stop?
I'm just finishing his shoes.
Yeah, I was finished.
The tail. What else are we left with? Are we done? Oh, this was an easy one. Let's wait for Parikshit till he finishes his drawing.
Yeah, it was at least shorter than Mommy Long Legs.
Yes, it was. Shorter, quicker, faster than Mommy Long Legs. We are gonna need some red color, yellow color, and a green color.
I'm taking this.
Yellow is very less, so just we finish up with the yellow color.
Yeah. Yellow.
Next, let's finish with the green color. Since green is also at a very small place. Next, we finish up with the grey color. Okay. Little bit of purple color in the eyes.
Yeah. First time it's actually looking like Knuckles.
Yeah.
First
Now?
time I'm too nice.
Quickly, the coloring with red color. Color it all red.
And maybe we can start the Sonic Hedgehog 2's episode. Like we drew Knuckles, we can draw Dr. Eggman, Tails, and Sonic.
Okay, who are they?
We are drawing Knuckles,
Yeah.
and then maybe we can draw Tails.
Okay.
And then we can draw Sonic, and then Dr. Eggman, which is Sonic's enemy.
Mm-hmm.
We can draw them.
Okay.
That would be fun. What it is shown? I don't know. I'm finished.
Even I'm done.
Yay.
So Knuckles' color matches with our background color.
Yeah.
That's also right. Episode number 62. So I hope you must have already liked the video, subscribed to the channel and added your comments below. The comment could be what you want us to draw next, or what you like about the video, what you don't like about the video, how you want us to improve it, what else you want to see in the next videos. Anything can be in the comments. And if you are among the first 5 comments, you win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun and Club. See you in the episode number 63. And let's see what Parikshit is adding to his drawing. Okay, subscribe and like the channel. That's what Parikshit wants you to do. See you. Ta-da. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.